Understanding the inevitable, like death and taxes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, like death and taxes. It's a saying that's packed with meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, like death and taxes, refers to something that is inevitable or unavoidable in life. The saying comes from a famous quote by Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States. In 1789, he wrote that, in this world, nothing is certain except death and taxes. This means that just as we can't avoid dying or paying taxes, there are other things in life that are just as certain. You can use, like death and taxes, to emphasize the certainty or inevitability of a situation. It's often used in a humorous or ironic way to talk about life's less pleasant, but unavoidable, aspects. Here are a few examples. Getting stuck in traffic during rush hour is like death and taxes if you live in a big city. For students, having to pull an all-nighter before exams is like death and taxes. It's a versatile phrase that can be adapted to many situations, reflecting the universal truth that some things in life just can't be avoided. While, like death and taxes, is the most common form, you might also hear variations that play on the original saying. For example, there are only two certainties in life, death and taxes. As certain as death and taxes. These variations carry the same meaning but can be used to fit different contexts or styles of speech. So, there you have it. The phrase, like death and taxes, is a powerful way to express the inevitability of something in life. It's a reminder of the things we can't escape, often used with a touch of humor to lighten the conversation. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this phrase's depth. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.